Hello everyone, it's Kelly and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices or market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like button right here to miss out on any future updates. This week, the steel market once again took a downturn after a brief recovery over the last 2 weeks. Steel prices have now returned to the levels we saw in mid-August, right before the recent rebound. This drop has arrived earlier and moved much faster than many expected. So, what's behind the sudden shift? Let's start with the big picture. On the macro level, we're seeing some concerning signs. In China, the August manufacturing PMI fell below expectations. In fact, it has remained below the threshold for 4 consecutive months. In the United States, the ISM manufacturing PMI for August also failed expectations, which has got market players worrying about a possible recession. So globally, both China and the US are dealing with economic pressures, and that's pushing down commodity prices, including steel. Now, when we dive deeper into the supply and demand situation, we see a mixed picture. The recent price rebound helped improve profitability for steel mills, which led to a quick recovery in production. However, demand didn't follow up. Rebar is still dealing with weak supply and demand, and for sheet products, we're seeing high inventories and rising production, putting significant downward pressure on prices. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent demand dropped a bit, and inventory is down by less than 600,000 tons. Production went up by 220,000 tons. So, while we're seeing inventory reduction, it's slowing down compared to last week, especially in hot-rolled coils, where inventories actually went up. This really highlights the ongoing imbalance between supply and demand. So, what's next? Well, with prices already close to their previous lows, we're not likely to see a big drop, unless bad news show up. Meanwhile, there's not much to drive prices up either, so we might be in for some more fluctuations for a little while. Currently, there are a couple of key things to watch out for. First, Friday's U.S. non-farm payroll data could give us some clues about what Fed's gonna do with interest rates. And then in China, we're waiting on news about potential rate cuts or changes to mortgage rates, which could also shake things up. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye.